You installed the game, right?
Wait, what?
What?
Did I install it?
Of course you did. That would be extremely stupid if you didn't install it.
I mean, you gave it to me,
Yeah, and we talked about playing it today.
and we talked about playing it today.
Yeah.
Because we didn't play the tutorials, and
Yeah, maybe, I think I'm missing something like very crucial because I'm dying to like every guy instantly. These fucking bitch ass police guy. No wonder they're fucking defunded the police.
have gave them 6 fucking kills.
That's good. That's something. That's something. It's nice to keep.
I am Mr. Beast.
Yeah.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone, Yamato. You motherfucker.
Who is this Yamato you're talking about? Is he the guy who you have been cheating me with?
Oh my god. A mix of like a midget, a rat, and a dragon.
Not a dragon, fuck you! You're trying
Look, I have wings.
You're trying to make it look like cool. That's like some fucking bad or some shit. If we see the Yamato guy, so we just let him kill us so we can respawn faster.
We are better than this. I think.
Hello, team.
Someone said hello team. Instant mute. Instant mute, like, fuck you, I'm not talking to you. Yeah, it makes no sense, like, what the fuck does Yamato do so much damage, and how the fuck does it not take any damage back? Like, you would think, like, if someone is like a glass cannon, he like takes like a lot of damage, but no, he's like a fucking tank, like actual tank.
I don't know, man, it's weird.
Not even a fucking tank, because that's it. That bitch is so fucking fast that you can't even run from her. It's a fucking fighter yet. Why the fuck do I have 2 kills? Why the fuck do you have 1 kill?
Don't look at me.
But assist we do have. We have most assist. Of the whole game actually. That's deaths. That's deaths.
20. Oh god.
There are times in life when it feels like no matter how hard you fight, you keep falling short. You keep showing up, giving it everything you have got, and still you lose. And after a while, it starts to wear you down. Makes you question if it's ever worth it. But that's the thing about resilience. It doesn't care about how many times you have failed. It only cares that you keep going, that you rise again, one more time, then you fall. Today, that one more time finally came, and I will never forget it. Let me show you why. I killed Yamato. My life has been completed. That moment wasn't just about winning. It was about enduring. About proving that persistence pays off. Even when no one's watching. Even when it seems like it never will. And if you still don't understand how much it meant, just listen to my friend's reaction.
Oh my god. You don't know how proud I am of you.
And if you actually use Yamato, then fuck you, you little bitch.